The emergence of artificial intelligence has sparked a debate. Can machines be truly creative? This question has ignited both excitement and fear within artistic circles. Some welcome AI as a powerful new tool. Others worry it might render human creativity obsolete. AI is not poised to replace human artists. Instead, it is emerging as a powerful tool. It can augment and amplify human creativity in unprecedented ways. Algorithms can now compose music, paint pictures, and even write poetry that is often indistinguishable from human-created works. However, AI lacks the depth of human consciousness. It is this consciousness that allows humans to infuse their art with emotions, experiences, and unique perspectives. As we move forward, we must embrace the potential of AI as a tool for augmenting human creativity.
One of the most promising aspects of AI in art lies in its ability to automate tedious and repetitive tasks. Artists often spend hours on technical details such as color correction, image resizing, or transcribing musical notes. AI can take over these tasks. This frees up artists to focus on the conceptual and emotional aspects of their work.
For example, imagine a painter who wants to experiment with different lighting schemes for a portrait. AI algorithms can generate countless variations in seconds. This allows the artist to explore a wider range of possibilities.
Similarly, AI can assist musicians in composing and arranging music. By taking over these time-consuming tasks, AI becomes a powerful assistant.
Beyond automation, AI has the potential to become a wellspring of creative inspiration. Algorithms can analyze vast datasets of art, music, and literature. They can identify patterns and generate novel combinations of existing styles and techniques.
Consider an author struggling with writer's block. AI tools can analyze their previous works and identify recurring themes, writing styles, and character archetypes. Based on this analysis, the AI can generate story outlines, character sketches, or even dialogue snippets.
Similarly, AI can assist musicians in breaking free from creative ruts.
In this way, AI becomes a collaborator, pushing artists to venture beyond their comfort zones. Section 4. The human touch. Emotion as the heart of art.